The little guy was up here, and I don't think anybody's going to come back for him. So I'm going to take him, and we're going to try to hatch him. Oh shit. Okay, I'm gonna try to do this. My wife noticed that it has a little crack in the shell. So what I'm gonna try to do is repair it. If I could get it out of here. It's right there. So the thing says, use an antiseptic to kill the bacteria. Let me wring this out. Okay. My wife is fuming. She wants to say something right now. If this works, I am God. I almost jacked it up. I almost put bleach wipes on it. Okay. Now, wait for it to dry a little, and now my hands are wet. It said packing tape. So hold it together. Shit. It's still wet.